Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to give you a review of what are the things that you can do by using Google Search Console. Now, we have understood the various lessons that we have already taken and found out that Google Console is a great tool to perform an SEO project on anything that has been given to you by your client, whether it's a web page or a website, it's a e-com website, or it is a blog, and you can do a bunch of analysis using this tool. Now, there are 5 reasons of using Google Search Console, and number one reason is to find out if there are any crawling issues or broken links present in your website. In order for your website to be discovered or to be found out by the searcher or your audience or your prospects or customers, it needs to be crawled by the Google bots and spiders. Now, if there are any issues for some reason, whatever they might be, it will give you an indication that these are the issues for which Google is unable to crawl your website, which means that if the bots and spiders can't discover the content that is present in your website, means your searchers or audience would not be able to discover it. So keep that in mind, that this is one of the basic reason of using Google Search Console, at it will as it will give you an idea at what those links are, and if there are any broken links, which means that it cannot be directed to the web page with the related content, or if the Google is experiencing any problem crawling the web page. The second thing that you want this tool to be used for is to find out if there is any duplicate content on the web page. And this is one of gray SEO or black hat SEO work. And in order to find out, to prevent committing this mistake, we use Google Search Console. It also prevents the penalties that could be imposed by Google or other search engines on our website, which means that it might not be discovered by our audience. So keep that in mind, that this is another reason where we can use Google Search Console to find if there are any duplicate web pages or duplicate content that exist on our website, just to promote it by giving that extra boost in the rankings. The third thing that you want to pay attention to using this Google Search Console, or you could be using this for, is to find out if your site loads well, which means that the speed of the site is not that slow that people get frustrated or distracted by some other chores, and in that way you might lose the audience, you might lose the customers. And this tool gives you an idea if the biggest element is able to load within the stipulated time, and which is it should be loading within 2.5 seconds. Anything beyond that, it's a red flag, means we need to either adjust the size of the image or video or format our content in a way that it loads appropriately. Next thing that we want to use this tool for is mobile usability. We have to find out if all the web pages, all the links, and any content that you are putting out there on your website can be accessed on a mobile device, which includes smartphones and tablets. So this is one of the great benefit of using Google Search Console, as most of the websites are nowadays being accessed by mobile devices. The fifth thing that you want to use this search console for is to find out if there is thin content. Means, again, it will give you a highlight signal or indication that this web page has crawling issues, or they are finding that the content against the searcher's query seem to be very thin, which means either the bounce rate goes high. Now, we will be talking about what bounce rate is, but just to give you an idea that the moment visitor visits your website, against the search query, and they see that although they have used the right keyword, but there is not enough content present on this website, and they just uh, zone out, or they would see that this website is not relevant, and they just close the website. And Google counts it as a bounce rate, and this bounce rate impacts the ratings of your website, and it could show way bottom in the search results if we are not working to improve the bounce rate. So we were talking about not having a thin content, means we should be having enough content that could answer a searcher's query when they are looking to find the solution for a particular problem on your website. So these are the 5 reasons that you can use this Google Search Console. You can use this tool to create your own reports for your organization, or to work on the website of your clients.